Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to send notifications to select groups on your admin panel. So first we're starting by going to the left hand side of your admin panel and going to communication, then notifications, and then specific groups. From here we're going to create a new group. Here we're going to name it, let's say women only. It is active. Here we're going to choose the user fields that we want to filter. In this case, we want to have only women, so we're going to sort by gender. But you have the option to choose many more. And then from here, for gender, we're just going to click female. Once that's done, we're going to click on save. And that's it for creating a new group. Once you're done creating your new group, you're going to go to outbound setting. From here, you're going to click on push notification. And here we're going to select the message recipients. In this case, I want to only send a notification to a specific group of people. In this case, I only want to send it to the women of the church. So here I'm going to select specific group and I'm going to type female only. Here we're going to have the notification title and the notification content that you want to send to your members. And you can also schedule it for any date or time that you want that to be sent out to everyone in your church. If you don't want to send it to a specific group, you can also just click all registered people and it will send it to everyone in your church. And that's it. That's how to send push notifications to all the members of your church or to specific groups. If you would like more information on your admin panel, please do not hesitate to reach out. And thank you very much. Have a great day.